I'm Daniel with Arctic Circle Air, and today we're going to be going over some basic operations with your White Rodgers Emerson thermostat. All right, I'm going to be starting with resetting your thermostat so that we can get it back to factory default settings. As you can see, we have a time and a day here that is flashing back and forth, and we have it set at 69 degrees. So when we reset it, all we have to do is hit down, up, and time. You want to hit all three at the same time. After you've pressed all three, release, and it'll reset back to if I pulled it out of the box. So now we have no day and we have no time, and it's just set on the factory default 62 degrees for heat. All right, before you begin programming your thermostat, you're going to want to set the day and the time. In order to do that, you simply press the time button. It'll bring up a screen that has your hour, where you'll set your hour first. So we're going to say it's 4 p.m. We'll hit time again, and we can set our minutes. So we can go, let's say it's 4:10. And then we hit our time again, and we are able to set our day, which today is Tuesday. So in order to set the time, we'll just hit run, and it puts our time. It'll flash back and forth and our date. All right, so now we can begin programming the thermostat. We'll start by just hitting our program button, and you see it takes us to a screen where it has a time, a temperature, and then it has Monday through Friday for this particular screen. So this will set you can set your temperature to whatever you may want. We'll just do 74 for the time being. And then if you want to change the time, you can hit your time button and change that to whatever time you want it to change to, or change at rather. And you can do up to 4 times a day. So you will hit program again, and that'll still be the Monday through Friday. It'll just be 8 a.m. and we can just change that if you want to by hitting the time and setting it to whatever you want. And just continue to hit program until you get through all the times, which I believe there's 4. And then it'll bring you to a Saturday, Sunday screen, which you will do the same thing. Once we are done programming our schedule, we'll just hit run to start it. All right, so these are your basic operations of your White Rodgers Emerson thermostat. If you have any more questions or concerns, please call us at 770-904-3102.